Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Very quickly, I'll be showing you how you can spy using your phone camera without anyone getting notice of it. Now, why is this necessary? This is necessary because of security reasons. Sometimes you might be very endangered and you would need to use this simple trick and method I'm going to be showing you to record the event, and you can show that to the police, or you can use that to save your privacy issues. Some of those stuffs are really going to help you. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to show you using your smartphone. You'll be able to spy using your phone camera and nobody will get noticed of it. Come on, it's a very smart way of getting secured or security. Okay, you can also use that to for information purpose. Perhaps someone is lying to you, and the person just want to get something. You can just do a short record, and then you're able to get that, and you can keep that for future use as well. But whatever it is you want to use that for, this video is for you. But the most important thing is that you're using it for educative purposes. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is actually to go to your Play Store. So this is my Play Store here. So I'm just going to open my Play Store, and then I'm going to come to the search, and I'm going to search for XX camera. Yeah, this is it, XX camera. So when that is done, I'm just going to click on install. You can see that I'm just installing for the first time on my phone. I'm just going to click on install, and then I'm going to allow this to load and install. So let's just wait for a moment, and then it's going to get installed. Now make sure that you install this on your smartphone, and it usually works mostly for both Android and iOS. So you just want to install this on your smartphone. It is very, very needful that you do that. So it's actually installing on my phone. Just a moment, and everything is going to be ready. So the XS camera is already installed on my phone. The next thing I want to do is to click on open. So I'm just going to open it directly from this point. Now when you open the camera, this is what is going to pop out. You're going to see something like background video recording, both the front and back cameras without preview, and you're just going to see some introductory text that you can use. So you want to slide left, and you will see something like start recording. Okay, and of course that's what you want to make sure that you select. Now when you click on start recording, this is going to come out. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. The first thing you want to do before you click on anything, the first thing you want to do, I'm going to quickly explain all of this to you. What this means, this is records, means that a list of records of what you have done using this app. Records, video records you have done using the app, which are actually invisible way of spying. You're going to see the details of those records here, and schedulers are also there, where you can program. You can just keep the phone somewhere. You can schedule it that, okay, by this time I want it to start recording. So that is what it does, scheduler, and that's you can schedule when you want your spy camera to start to record. So that's a very smart way. You just keep it somewhere, click on schedule, and then you just continue with other activities. But the first thing you want to do now is to click on settings. This is settings icon here. So you click on it. Now when you click on it, something like this is going to pop out for you. You see something like privacy settings, camera and video settings. All of these settings are very essential. So we're going to start with privacy settings, because if you don't set it correctly, you might not get the best result. So this is what I'm going to click, privacy settings. So let's click on privacy settings. Now the first thing here is save to gallery. Of course you want to make sure it's a secret video, so you want to put it off. You can put it on. When you put it on, it means when you start recording and your record is done, it will save in your phone gallery. But we don't want this to show in our phone gallery, because the moment it does, it is no longer private. Anybody can get access to your phone and will see those kind of videos there. So what you want to do is just to put it off. So put it on off. Now the privacy mode, this is where I am. Privacy mode is actually talking about how did you want your stuff to look like. We have the mini, the app icon, the red dot, nothing. What you want to click here on privacy mode, click on nothing. Nothing is what you should click on. Don't click on app icon or red dot, click on nothing. Now privacy position, here you can see something like bottom center, top center, left center. It's just trying to talk about, okay, how do you want the position of your privacy should look like. I think leaving it on bottom center is still the best option, so you just want to leave it there. And then of course on preview, click do nothing, open app, and save and close. What you just want to do is just click on do nothing. Okay, so what should happen when you click the preview screen? Do nothing. If you want, if that is okay with you, fine. And if you want it to just open the app, you can do it. If you want it to just save and close, do it. But it depends on what you actually want, you want from your spy camera to always do for you. So in this particular one, I'm just going to click on do nothing. Okay, the next one here is lock screen. So your lock screen is very, very crucial. You just want to make sure that you set that up. Why is this necessary? When your phone is locked and you are required to enter your password or a pattern, whatever it is, you just want to make sure that you can put a lock screen where you are prompted to enter a pin, a unique pin, a 4-digit pin, and you can use that to open your app and start spying using your camera. So you can either put it on or you put it off, okay, depending on what you want to do. But of course, if you want to do that, your phone is always on. You already have a lock screen enabled with your phone already, so of course you wouldn't want to miss that. So this, you just want to put it off. Then we're going to go back here, and then we're going to come to camera and video settings. So when you click on camera and video settings, what you want to do next is also we have the camera type, we have the record audio, we have flashlights, video quality, and all of these things. So I'm going to show you how you can actually set this up. Now the first thing here is camera type. Camera type tells you how you want your camera to look like which of the camera do you want to use. Do you want to use the rear camera, or you want to use the front camera? So we have the front camera, the back camera. Depending on how you're positioning your phone or how you want it to be, like, you just want to do that. So you want to use either the front camera or the back camera. That is what the camera type is all about. Now, do you want to record audio? That's what this is talking about here. Of course, you might want to record audio, or you don't want to record audio. That's left the way you actually want your spy camera to be. So you just want to keep it on. That's okay. All right, flashlight, you want to put that on off, or because if you put that on, you'll be noticed. So leave it off. Now the video quality talks about, of course, how you want your video, the quality of your video to look like, either on HD format, on FHD, on SD, whatever quality that you want. I'm gonna leave this on FHD. Now zoom. If you enable zoom, there's gonna be a sig bar that will be displayed under the preview. Okay, so what it means is that this is what I'm talking about. The zoom. You are making a record now. You want to zoom in and zoom out. Remember that you are not there, or perhaps you don't want to be noticed. So if you enable zoom, there's going to be a sig bar that will be showing under the preview. Okay, that will enable you to zoom in or zoom out. All of this depends on the camera settings that you're able to do it and how you want it to be like. So you can leave it on off or leave it on. So these settings I just showed you is how you can actually do that. There are a lot of settings here. We have the notification and tool settings. Of course, it will notify you. You have the home page theme. You can change it to a default theme. We have a fancy theme, Tweety theme, Google theme, TikTok theme. Just anyhow, that just talks about accessibility, how you want to customize your app. But the most important thing is that you're able to do that for yourself, and it is totally free. Although there is the premium version and the premium place where you can record or whistle, or by clapping, or by doing some live streaming, but that is not really so necessary for what we want to do now. These little features I just showed you can help you to spy on events, spy on conversations without the knowledge of the other party. Okay, so it is a good one if you are endangered and then you just want to use that for security purpose. So, and also you can also use that for investigation purpose too. And then when that is done, the next thing I just want to click is start camera. Boom. And the moment I click on start camera, is just going to pick up from that. Okay, so that is a very smart way of spying using your camera, and then you can use that for yourself. All right, that's the end of this video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button, and then you share the video, you like the video. Till I come your way next time, Jide Genius is my name. Remain intelligent technologically.